In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Google Calendar with Jira step by step, so you can easily track Jira issues, deadlines, and events directly inside your Google Calendar. This is extremely useful for project managers, developers, and agile teams who want better visibility of their Jira work alongside meetings and schedules. We'll go through the full process from inside Jira, and I'll keep it simple so anyone can follow along. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your Jira account. Make sure you're signed into the Jira workspace where you want to connect Google Calendar. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your project board. You'll typically see your board with issues laid out in backlog, sprint, or calendar view depending on your setup. Next, look toward the top menu and click on the More option. This menu contains additional settings and extensions you can add to Jira. After clicking More, select Apps from the dropdown. This will take you to the Atlassian marketplace, where you can find integrations and add-ons for Jira. Now that you're in the Apps section, focus on the search bar. Type Google Calendar into the search field and wait for the results to load. From the list of available apps, look for the one called Issue Events, Google Calendar Integration for Jira. This is a popular app designed specifically to sync Jira issue events with Google Calendar. Once you find the app, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here you can read more about what the integration offers, including supported features and permissions. When you're ready, click on Try It Free. Jira will then guide you through the installation process. After clicking Try It Free, you'll be prompted to review the app's permissions. This step is important because it shows what access the app will have inside your Jira instance. Take a moment to review everything, then click Review to continue. If everything looks good, click on Start Free Trial. The app will now begin installing into your Jira environment. Once the installation is complete, the Google Calendar integration will be available inside Jira. From here, you can configure which projects, issue types, and events you want to sync. Typically, this includes due dates, sprint dates, and issue updates that you want reflected in your Google Calendar. After setup, sign into your Google account when prompted, and allow the integration to access your calendar. This permission is required so Jira events can appear automatically in Google Calendar. Once connected, you'll start seeing Jira issues and key dates show up directly in your calendar, helping you stay on top of deadlines without constantly switching tools. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Jira, making it much easier to manage your time and track project progress in one place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.